It is all about synchronization and teamwork. Marching in a contingent demands alertness and an unspoken coordination. As especially fair one is easily felt from Delhi to lengths and breadths of the nation, here we are to witness a parade to commemorate the 73rd Independence Day celebration. We are now witnessing the march past of St. Joseph's Indian Institution. High School, headed by School Pupil Leader Newman Hashmi and Deputy School Pupil Leader Timothy Bhatt. The school strives hard to achieve excellence and perfection. Newman Hashmi has represented school in cultural events and is an athlete and a merit holder in academies. Coming up is St. Joseph's Community College, headed by Student President Dominic P. and Vice President Mary Severity Cruz. The troop strives to abide by rules. Dominic is a district-level football player. Mary Simpson is an inter-school long-distance athlete. The community college is an alternative system of education which is aimed at the empowerment of the disadvantaged and the underprivileged to appropriate skill development leading to gainful employment. They are followed.
All the students kindly rise for the prayer. Let's remain in silence as we invoke the God's blessing. Lord of all, we recognize that true freedom comes through you, that our ultimate loyalty belongs to you, that our real identity is bestowed upon us by you. Every day is a gift, every breath a moment to give you praise, every hour one in which to live what you command. Knowing that you are beginning and end, we ask for the wisdom to properly order all else. On this day, when we celebrate our country's independence, we give thanks for the many blessings we enjoy in this land, the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, the ability to speak what is on our minds, even when what we have to say is contrary to popular opinion or public policy, and the freedom to worship or not. Help us to recognize that such marks of human dignity are for all people, and that you, O Lord, love and value every person and place you have made. May our patriotism be subject to your law, our loyalty to country never higher than our obedience to your will, our pride of nation always secondary to our humble attempts to follow you, O Lord. As we commemorate this Independence Day, we remember that all people are created equal because you, Lord, created us all and called us good. May our actions, laws, and hearts reflect the character of our Creator.
You are my strength when I am weak. You are the treasure that I seek. You are my all in all. Seeking you as a precious gem, Lord, to give up or be a fool. You are my all in all. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Jesus, rising again, I bless your name. You are my all in all. When I fall down, you pick me up. When I am dry, you fill my cup. You are my all in all. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name.
Let's now listen to the scripture of popular religions.
A reading from the Holy Bible, the book of Galatians. Now you, my friends, are children of the promise, like Isaac. But just as at that time the child who was born according to the flesh persecuted the child who was born according to the Spirit, so it is now also. But what does the scripture say? Drive out the slave and her child, for the child of the slave will not share the inheritance with the child of the free woman. So then, friends, we are children, not of the slave, but of the free woman. For freedom, Christ has set us free. Stand firm, therefore, do not submit again to the yoke of slavery.
Reading from the Holy Book Bhagavad Gita 16:1-3. The Supreme Divine Personality said, O citizen of Bharat, these are the sanity virtues of those endowed with a divine nature: fearlessness, purity of mind, steadfastness in spiritual knowledge, charity, control of senses, performance of sacrifice, study of sacred books, assurity and straightforwardness, non-violence, truthfulness, absence of anger, inoculation, peacefulness, restraint from fault-finding, compassion toward all living beings, absence of convenience, gentleness, modesty, and lack of weakness, vigor, forgiveness, fortitude, cleanliness, bearing enmity towards none, and absence of enmity.
Ayat from the Holy Quran. I worship not that which you worship, nor will you worship that which I worship. And I will not worship that which you have been wanted to worship, nor will you worship that which I worship. To be your way and to be mine. Quran chapter 109. God has given humans to freedom to choose their religion, freedom of belief, freedom to pray, freedom of religion, freedom of worship. Verse 256. There is no compulsion in religion, meaning religion must come voluntarily from the human heart and not from the fear of humans by force.
Let's conclude this prayer with a prayer of Rabindranath Tagore to the country.
Where the mind is well without fear and the head held high, where knowledge is free, where the world is not broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert stand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that free heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Please be seated.
Desha, ಸರಿಯಂತೆ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಗೆಲುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿ ಮಡಿದ ಬೆವರು ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಕೊನೆಯಾಗಲು ಈ ದೇಶ ಬದಲಾಗಲು ಈ ಜೀವ ಬಲವಾಗಿರಲು ತಾಯಿ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೇವೆ ಒಂದೇ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ ಅದುವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮೋಸ ಬಲಮೋಸ ಕೊಡುಕೊಡುವಂತೆ ವೇಷ ತುದಿವಾಗ ಬಿಸಿ ರಕ್ತ ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಿವಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಧ್ವನಿಯೇ ನಮದು ನಮದೇ ಭರತನದ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ